Lacto chicken is a healthier chicken product that we bring into East Malaysia and Brunei from Singapore. In Chinese, Lacto chicken is called Qi Xiang Ji. It's an advanced farming technology of Kisong. After more than a decade of R&D and experiences gathered, the proven technology has successfully reared our Lacto chicken without using any antibiotics and growth hormones. Instead, we feed them with lactobacillus and giving them the best living environment with soothing Mozart serenade music. Lactobacillus are the friendly bacteria that we can also find in some of the food like yogurt, cheese, and Yakult drinks. These lactobacillus strains that we feed the chicken with are originated from Autenchi, Singapore. Autenchi is a biotechnological company specializing in novel cutting-edge lactobacillus technology. The lactobacillus technology from Autenchi, when used on the chicken, is a total replacement of antibiotics. Lactobacillus help clean out the gut system of the chicken. With a clean and better functions of their intestine, they will absorb better on the vitamins, minerals, etc. from the feeds and drinks that they consume, thus build out their immune systems. So with a stronger immune system, the chicken will not get sick easily. The Autenchi lactobacillus are all natural and good, and will make the chicken tastier and healthier, and best of all with lower fats and less chicken odor. As Lacto chicken is an antibiotic free, the chicken manure and the fertilizers are truly organic. This helps to create a sustainable green environment. All of our Lacto chickens are reared in a modernized closed houses and hygienic environment. Besides that, it is fully automated with controlled temperature, water, and feed distribution. The Lacto chicken are given ample space to freely roam about. They are not caged and they are free-ranged. All our Lacto chicken in the market are tagged or with a pink color ring. It is a very important point because this is to prevent, first of all, counterfeit, and also let the consumers be assured that the chicken are all reared by us. All Lacto chickens are carefully selected with the best quality and appearances. For future plan, we are going to rear this Lacto chicken also in Sarawak and Brunei within this 1 to 2 years time. Our vision, together with our business partner, to provide the society, the earth, the next generations and you with healthier food choices through sustainable practices and businesses.